welcome back. So today I'm going to go ahead and clean these lashes. If you want to see how I got this to this, stay tuned. This is the after. And let me tell you, these mink lashes last forever. Girl, guy, whoever, they last forever. Okay? So I start off with this lash shampoo that I had from when I had individuals. It works the same. Any lash shampoo will do the job. Then I get a bowl of water. Doesn't matter, cold, warm. These are all my filthy lashes. First, you want to start off with taking the glue, the residue, the eyeshadow, whatever is left on the eyelash. You want to take that off as best as you can. So that's what I'm doing right now, just cleaning them off. And if you've got doubles, peel them apart, clean them off. Be gentle though, because if you are too rough, then it will pull the lashes out and you'll have a gap, and you don't want that. Once you take the glue off, you dunk it in the water, and you just keep doing that with each lash. And make sure they're immersed fully in the water. Give them a little bath, a little bubble bath. Yeah, see, I have a lot of doubles. Yeah, and I'm just going to speed it up a little because it's just the same thing. I'm just taking off the lash glue, the eyeshadow that's left on there, and just dunking it in the water. So, as you see, they're all in there. Go ahead and put some more lash shampoo in there. Give them a little bubble bath. Get them all sudsy. And clean them off. Because you don't want to wear dirty eyelashes. I mean, that is not it. Okay? It's not it. Then I get a eyelash spoolie brush thingy. And you just want to, go through and continue to clean them. This is a more in-depth cleaning. That's because I like them clean. I don't want old residue going on my lash. So I go in, individually scrub them, take out all the mascara, anything that's just left on them. We don't want that on there. And just continue to clean them off. Please, guys, just clean your lashes. We don't want to spread infection and nastiness. Just clean your lashes, please. This is the water after I clean my lashes, you guys. That shows how important it is. Do you see that water? And this is the finished product. These lashes look brand new. They look how they came. They're ready to use. And most importantly, they're clean. So if you have any techniques that you use that you find better, go ahead and leave that down in the comments below. And if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for tuning in, and subscribe to my channel. Let's get it.